Before starting the foot massage, first take a small amount of massage cream or oil. Rub it in your hands to warm it up. Apply it evenly to the top of the foot. Quickly rub the inner and outer sides of the foot. Warm up the entire top of the foot. Doing this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute is sufficient. Next, we will first stimulate the heart reflex area. Follow the groove down between the 4th and 5th toes. This point is the heart reflex area. Use your knuckles to apply pressure. The pressure can be adjusted according to each person's tolerance. Try to keep the pressure at the maximum level you can comfortably tolerate. After testing the pressure on the reflex area, we will move to the next step. Follow the groove down between the 2nd and 3rd toes. This location below is called the kidney reflex area. Use the knuckle of your index finger to press and hold for at least 3 seconds. Then, press and hold again, and perform a downward scraping motion with your knuckle for 1 centimeter. Repeat this process of pressing and scraping 3 times. Pay attention to controlling the pressure. Next, scrape downwards from the kidney reflex area. This line is the ureter reflex tube. Scrape it at least 10 times. Scrape downwards slowly like this. The pressure should be penetrating and even. Then, press the bladder reflex area. The bladder reflex area is located below the ankle joint. Push upwards from the bladder reflex area along the ankle. Push upwards 10 times. Next is the head reflex area. This area corresponds to the forehead. Scrape it 10 times. Scrape until you feel a gritty texture. The position below this is the neck reflex area. This should also be scraped 10 times. The inner side of the toe is the trigeminal nerve reflex area. Push it 10 times. Why use a pushing motion? Because this area is sensitive to pressure. It is not suitable for scraping. Next, press on the base of this toe. This spot is called the pressure lowering point. After pressing the point, scrape it horizontally 10 times. Then, press each toe pad in sequence. This is the frontal sinus reflex area. After pressing, scrape horizontally 5 times. The point press should be held for about 1 to 3 seconds. Scrape about 3 to 5 times. Continue this process for the other toes. After you finish scraping, locate this position. This is the eye reflex area. And the ear reflex area. When finished, use your thumbs to alternately push the toe pads. The sides of the toes should also be pushed. Push each toe 5 to 10 times. Be careful not to bend the toes with too much force. This massage is not suitable for those with broken skin or osteoporosis. After pushing, use the palm of your hand to rub the toes until they are warm. Then, bend them upwards 5 to 10 times,